We've all been there working on our university projects or writing papers and wishing we had a simple way to turn our ideas into a clear, engaging infographic. Infographics are a great way to communicate a lot of information in a small, visual format. Welcome, friends. Today on the Desire channel, I'm going to show you how to solve that problem once and for all. With the help of AI, you'll be able to create stunning infographics with ease. But before we jump in, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support gives me the motivation to keep creating awesome content for you. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll head over to ChatGPT. Just search for ChatGPT on Google and click the first link. Then log in. I'm using my Gmail account. Now, I'll ask ChatGPT to write an article about the process of making earrings. You can ask it anything related to your project, whether it's writing an article, breaking down a process, or generating ideas. Once it generates the text, copy it. Now, let's search for Napkin AI on Google. Click the first result. This is the main workspace. In the top right corner, click on Get Napkin Free. You can log in with your email or Gmail. I'm using Gmail again. Next, choose the purpose of your infographic. I'm selecting presentation, teaching material, and social media content. Then click Submit. Here's the dashboard. It's super easy to use. Click on Create My First Napkin. Now, you have two options. You can ask Napkin to write content for you, or you can use your own text. Since I already have content from ChatGPT, I'll use that. Paste the copied text here. Then hover your mouse over the corner and click Generate Visual. And just like that, it creates a beautiful infographic. It's amazing. Now let's explore the different styles. I'll try a few and choose the one I like best. There are so many great options, it's actually hard to choose. but I'll go with the first one for now. You can also customize the style, choose from color, sketch, or theme designs. Click on any part of the text to edit it, change the color, bold it, make it bigger or smaller. You can also add a border, though I'll leave it as it is. From here, you can change the font. Adjust icons, make them bigger or smaller, and tweak the roundness. You can even change the icons completely, just pick what you like. You can change stroke colors, add images, sketches, or labels. When you're done, you can export your design from here. You can also change the size of your infographic. I'm keeping the default size. Click Export, and you'll see different format options like PNG, SVG, PPT, or PDF. I'm choosing SVG. To remove the watermark, you'll need the premium version, but don't worry. I'll show you how to remove it using Adobe Illustrator at the end of the video. You can choose between dark or light themes and turn the background on or off. Now I'll save the file and open it in Illustrator. Let's give it a cool background to make it pop. I'm adding a green gradient. Follow along with me as I do it. Now, just click on the watermark and delete it. That's it. Super easy. Thanks so much for sticking with me through the video. I hope this tutorial helps you with your projects. The best way to support me is to give this video a thumbs up. Take care and see you in the next one. Love you all, goodbye.